AP Handicrafts Paper Products, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. We brought the special summer camp for school children. In this, we brought the 3 sets. In set 1, we are giving a 4 canvases, which will be A5 size. And in this canvases, already drawings will be there. Students have to color them. And they can use any type of color, watercolor, acrylic color, poster color, oil pastels, even color pencils also. So these are the 4 canvases which we are providing, and along with that 3 craft work is there. The first one is a car. We are giving a diagram on a paper. Students have to cut and they have to make like this in a 3D way. So this is the second is a doll, and third one is a house. So 3 crafts and 4 canvases we are providing material in a 500 rupees, and school will get the 100 rupees discount on this. This is the set 1. Now set 2 is there. In set 2 also we are providing 4 canvases and 3 craft works, but canvases will be A4 size, and the set cost is 1000 rupees. School will get discount of rupees 150 on each set. So in this also these 4 canvases are there, which will be A4 sizes. These 4 canvases along with the drawing, printed one you will get. And these are the craft, ship, 3D. We are giving a material, paper material, 3D ship, and infill tower along with Liberty statue. So 3 craft works and 4 A4 size set cost is 1000 rupees. School will get 150 rupees discount. This is suggestible for class 7th and above. Now those who are specially interested in a painting, acrylic painting or canvas painting, those who can do the painting very well, for them we brought the another set, that is kit 3. In this we are giving 7 watercolor canvases. See, these all are the A4 size canvases. Like this printed picture we are giving on our traditional art. Indian traditional art is a topic. So on base that we are giving a 7 printed canvases. This 7 canvases set cost is 1300, and school will get discount 200 on each set. So these are the 3 type of sets are there which we are providing. One is class 1 to 6 students can use, or any interested person can use. That cost will be 500 rupees. Second set is 1000 rupees, and third set is 1300 rupees. For each set, students will at school will get the discount, and they can conduct a 6-day summer camp in their school. So if teachers are having any doubt, we will assist them, we will guide them. Even we are providing the videos also, how to paint, how to color, and how to make a craft work in easy way. We are providing like this printed canvases, and when you will use watercolor, it will look like this. See, you can use watercolor, it will look very bright. So you can use watercolor, poster color, even acrylic color also. So all the best, all of you, those who are interested, please contact us. We are giving the number and mail ID. You can WhatsApp us so that we will give you more details, and you can place the order through WhatsApp. This is our number. You can contact us or WhatsApp us. We will call you back, or you can write in a mail.